Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. We are opening up some Pokemon cards. Let's get started. So, guys, we have got... So, guys, the first thing I'm going to take out is... Let me show guys this now. So, you can see. So, guys, I got a Pokemon coin. So, guys, let's get it out. See, guys, we got this and some Pokemon and 2 extra Pokemon cards. We got this thing, whatever that is, and a really rare one, which is this. So guys, we have our first pack. We have 3 packs of Pokemon cards I got from Walmart today. You can see, guys. Because it's opening up our first pack. I'm going to get my scissors. So guys, I got my scissors. Just be careful and let me open this up. So guys, I got this open. Got all the Pokemon cards. So guys, first we got Hatenna, because this one was Rayquaza. We have Aerocodude, Meowth, Circuit, Magikarp, Charjabug, Skizzer, an Energy, Phalanx, Palpito. What?
That's what I got.
I know, Pikachu. And I'm making a YouTube video. Stop. Hey, you're in your underwear. Stop. Palpipode, a Capture Energy, whatever that is, and this again. We have a second Pokemon cards. We're gonna go to. We have this now. This now. So guys, if you use these, please ask for adult to help you.
Which you aren't doing.
Whoopsies.
What's this?
A Pokemon coin. So we have some.
Can I open this last one for you because you make me nervous?
Guys, we have a Fire Energy, and don't show them yet until. Okay. Umbro, Applin, Cindy, guys. Guys, I cannot believe what I just got, but I just got a limited edition. It is Colossal, Koffling, Shings, Sheamus, and this stupid thing again. We have Vulpix, Katarine, and Cursed Shovel. What's that? Okay, this is our last pack. I hope I get something good. Metatitle, Milcery, Glowitch, Limpy. Whoopsies. We have another Hatenna, and guys, the last one was in limited edition, but oh my god, let me show the fans. Guys, look what I just got. Jeez.
Let me see.
Guys, we just got a limited edition.
That's cool.
We have Cuprid VMAX. What? What, guys? Funnel Bing, an Energy, Full Heal, Sonia, Vascor, and this stupid thing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.